Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa Ciama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi. Atongoria rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza nimeranĩire kurutithania wira na mumbunge wa Mathira Rigathi Gachagua uria wamuritwo ta munini wa muhuraniri wa giturwa kia upresident ngwataniro-ini ino githurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana.
On the 9th of August,
Mudavadi augite itua riri ritiguthararia ona hanini muoroto wa ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza kuyukia matamu ma utongoria wa bururi.
We shall now rally behind the Kenya Kwanza presidential candidate and the entire alliance with Rigathi Gachagua as the running mate.
Ihinda-inĩ riu akiuga uhotani wa Kenya Kwanza ugakorwo ari kihonia kia mathina kiodorita maria magumeire Wanjiku, uge uria unyititwo baru ni mutongoria wa kiama gia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula.
We shall win, because what is bigger is that the people of Kenya must be freed from the economic hardships. The cost of living is painful.
People of our country who have been toiling and moiling in the heat and the cold of our various weather patterns in the country will finally take the benefits of their sweat.
An Waiguru uria urari ithabu-ini ria aria maragwetetwo kuyuri ithenya riri augite niiganire na maumirira kuona ona mweke uyu wa muhituka kuri na mwihoko wa iturwa ingi cia utongoria iria igathukirwo atumia wona Kenya Kwanza yayuki utongoria ithurano-ini ciukite.
We have secured 50% of cabinet to be women, and that is a big plus, and we thank you, Your Excellency, for that consideration.
Atongoria agi aria manyitite baru kwamurwo wa Gachagua ni Speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi, Governor wa Machakos Alfred Mutua na uria wari Governor wa Kiambu William Kafogo.
Nitaungana na wewe, kusaidiana na wewe na Mheshimiwa Gachagua ili kuweza kufanya campaign mrengo huu wa Kenya Kwanza uweze kupata ushindi mwezi wa 8.
I am satisfied with the results of that process and congratulate my brother Rigathi Gachagua.
Thegia ya Gachagua agi aria maragerekagwo kabiru kuihuria ithenya riri ni Senator wa Tharaka Nithi Kithure Kindiki, Governor wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru, mumbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro, mumbunge wa Kandara Alice Wahome na Speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.